Want to see the northern lights this year but have no idea where to start? Imagine catching the Aurora Borealis in real time, without guessing or endless research. I'll show you a simple trick using the Hello Aurora app to track and actually see it. The northern lights are a natural phenomenon caused by solar particles hitting Earth's atmosphere. But spotting them depends on more than just luck. Weather, location, and aurora activity all matter. Here's where Hello Aurora helps. It provides easy-to-understand aurora forecast. Right on the first screen, you will see your chance of spotting the lights. Check Aurora strength tracking, which is important real-time data. Check the graph and know when the lights are about to dance. The value drops approximately negative 150 nanotesla. That means substorm is coming and strong aurora might appear. Location-based alerts. Only get notifications for your area. Real-time accurate data. Unlike other apps that rely on KP indices, Hello Aurora factors in weather, clouds, and astronomy for the most reliable northern lights alerts, so you don't get false alarm. On the map screen, you can see the aurora oval around the globe and see where people are seeing the lights in real time. Want to share your own spotting? Just press the eyes icon and choose the intensity of the aurora and submit your photo. Everything is beginner-friendly and super easy, but even pros rely on it. Don't miss your chance to see the northern lights. Hello Aurora gives you real-time alerts, precise forecasts, and easy-to-read metrics. Imagine stepping outside at the perfect moment and watching the sky light up. Download Hello Aurora now, the ultimate northern lights tracker. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it makes witnessing the northern lights simple, accurate, and unforgettable.